Hi, everybody. I'm here to teach just a little bit about ReadSpeaker, which is a function we have on Winer's Canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and walk you through how to use ReadSpeaker. What ReadSpeaker does is it reads things out loud, similarly to what Kurzweil might do or other software that reads text out loud. If you have a reader for exam accommodation or a text and alternative format accommodation, it makes sense to get familiar with this tool. I'm going to share my screen so that you can see my canvas. Here, I'll minimize this guy. Okay, so here we are on Canvas. So what we're going to do, and this is just any course, so you can go to any course that you use on Canvas, and any text that's in the actual Canvas platform should be able to be read out loud through ReadSpeaker. The way you do it is this little play button down here in the lower left-hand corner. If you can't see me, I'm down here. You press play, and this toolbar opens up. Now you can use this toolbar to play the entire page, but it will play all of these little options. It'll play everything, and it gets kind of convoluted. So my best advice is to use it by highlighting the text you want it to read out loud, and just press listen, and it'll play it out loud. Okay, so you probably couldn't hear the audio that was being played because Zoom actually just records my voice and not so much the audio that's coming from the computer, but it was playing out loud that text that was being highlighted with the blue and green highlights here. So you don't have control over the speed or the voice the same way you would in Kurzweil, but it is a really good stopgap for if you're taking a test or a quiz online. This feature still functions, and you can highlight each question and have it play out loud. The thing it doesn't work on is any text that you put into Canvas. So if you have an open field where you type your responses, it's not going to play that out loud if you want to hear it back. What it really works as is very similar to a reader for our exams. When we record our voices into a recorder and give you the device, this is just going to play the same thing. It's going to play the content of the test and the questions and just kind of what the professor provides. So anything that your professor puts onto your Canvas site can be played this way, including readings, tests, and quizzes. If you have any questions on how to use ReadSpeaker, you can always contact myself or Carla Vastine in the Student Accessibility Services Office. We can work with you. You can bring your laptop in, and maybe we can go online and do a share screen tutorial one-on-one. But it is very user-friendly, basic, get you to the things you need. You can change the volume. You can even download what you have had it read, whatever part you have highlighted. It can download the MP3 for you. I'm not sure why you might need that, but if you need it, it exists. Otherwise, you just exit out when you're done, and that's the full ReadSpeaker function. It's a really simple tool that can be really helpful for folks who need it. If you have any questions, again, please contact us. You can also contact us at our email, which is disabilities@widener.edu. Otherwise, I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions, please contact me, but hopefully it's a pretty straightforward tool. You'll be able to use it really well. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.